Before the spotlight, there is silence. Before the applause, there is work. Discipline built the sound. Detail built the style. Every note intentional. Every stitch deliberate. From the roots of South Africa to the rhythm in my sound, this is culture. Culture gave me rhythm. Craft gave me presence. This is not just what I wear, it's who I am. When you build from the ground, you move different. This is legacy. Clevers.